Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another men's waxing demonstration for you today. Today we will be doing some face waxing, beginning with the cheek wax. This is not your typical men's waxing service that's performed most often. In fact, this service or even the full facial wax service is most often booked by women who experience excessive unwanted facial hair growth. Now, men who book this service, most facial waxing services, usually visit their barbers first for their shape up or trim, and afterwards they would just come to me to wax the remaining hair outside of the barber line. My client here visits the barbershop pretty frequently, so you can really distinguish where the barber line begins so that we don't wax beyond that point. And his beard, it will have a significant definition, just like he has a shape up. And it'll stay that way for a few weeks because remember, we're waxing the hair from the root, waxing and tweezing it, and as opposed to using clippers or a razor, which removes the hair from the surface and causes the hair to grow back rapidly, even as quickly as the following day. So the next service is the chin and jawline wax. Now this is the area of the face where I see most irritation occurs from clipper and razor usage. Now when you wax, you're also exfoliating your skin. So if you have experienced razor burn and discoloration, you will begin to see your skin tone evening out. This service also helps to aid in the prevention of folliculitis, which are ingrown hairs which become inflamed and infected. And that is a common condition for men that go to the barbershop and frequently use razors or clippers. So eventually you will begin to see your skin will appear brighter, smoother, and more clear, especially with regular visits every 3 weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and check out my website, kycwax.com, where you can book your next appointment. I'll see you guys later.